Welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Ribeiro and I'm sorry but I'm really hyper. I'm filming like 3 videos at once today, but also like trying to live life. So just now I went to take these really cute photos of basically this new top. So I've had these pants for like years. Here's actually the pants itself. So they were just long leggings. I think I posted this yesterday on my IG stories, and one of my friends, she told me like, why don't you record a DIY that looks so dope? Fast forward to today, I still have a bit of a strip of this leg. Yeah, let's do it. To be honest, this is how my house actually looks like when I am sewing. Like, I'm very hyper. I was very calm yesterday. Today I'm very hyper. So first thing you want to do is obviously lay out your material, and as you see the pants are actually, when you open them, they're actually cut in a diagonal form. I'm actually going to get this part here then, that's actually the thinnest. I'm going to try and make this more straight, and you're going to see what I mean. Like basically this whole length you want to make it the same. By the way, I actually love this fast suede on this side. Obviously one for this part here, and then this part here. This part is just to kind of like hold your boobies, and then this part is just, you know, to cover up a little bit of dignity. You don't have to have this part, you could just have this, but I feel like it looks really cute when you sew them together. So you have one piece here, it's kind of long. Just cut this edge here. And now for the second part, if you want, like, I mean, this particular material has this, but I don't want that. And then I'm just going to cut this off here, because you just want to give yourself like a flat, like fabric. I actually need some space here for sewing, so I'm going to cut this. And then I'm gonna cut here. Here's your top boobie part. This is gonna be the bottom. Oh my god, I actually kind of like this. If we use pins, we can actually see. Here's my rainbow pins. I got this because it's so cute. So what you want to do for what I just did here is turn it inside out. 1, 2, okay, 3. Maybe I'll put one at the end. Okay, ow. Awesome. So of course I need to cut this part off, but when you open it, boom! Your top is literally almost done, guys. It's literally the easiest top I just had to make. That's it, that's the top. So we're gonna put a thread through here. Now I'm just gonna cut like these parts that I didn't really do properly. So I started learning how to do like sewing things and doing stuff by hand, like crochet, knitting, ponto cruz, vagonici. I learned it with my grandma. I remember I was like 8. She had just come from Brazil to Portugal, and she was, you know, into doing those things. She taught me a lot, and I actually find it very therapeutic to do ponto cruz vagonici. Just gonna cut the fabric. Cool. So to be honest, this kind of fabric does not undo itself, so if you just cut a piece of item like this, then it's totally fine, but I'm thinking I want to do the edges. Follow this guy. So this is your top front. This one looks kind of asymmetrical because that is the look I'm going for in this particular top. So next up I'm going to show you guys how I do these little loops. And what I do is I take the other string that was part of the other pants. You're going to take the end like this, and you're going to make a tiny little loop. and then I'm gonna sew through it and then wrap it around, make it a knot, and make 4 of these. We have these 4 little loop situations going on. We're gonna place them one here, one here, one here, and one here. So you sew everything on like so. So I knew that I wanted my top to do this little thing, and then that I wanted a cross in the back. And this is how it looks, guys, from the back. It's literally a piece of cloth with some strings. So I'm gonna try that on for you. So as I showed you guys, this is the one that I made yesterday. It's just a complete entire square. And this is how the back looks like. So now I'm gonna change into the one I just made now. So this one is a little bit different. As you see, it's quite longer. I actually really like it. It's a little bit more asymmetrical. And now I'm just going to tie it up. So this one, as you see, it's a lot larger. It's got this whole asymmetrical design, just because right now I think asymmetrical tops are very in. And then this is how it looks in the back. Wow, I really like this one. And that is it for this video. As you see, I made this very cute top, and it's very easy for you to make it too. Anyways, guys, if you enjoy this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, let me know if there's anything you want me to check out or try out. To be honest, I just look at a fabric, think what I want to do some little research on Pinterest, and that's literally it. Everything is trial and error. It's all about having fun. Beijos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!